Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday video to see what happened for Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart, 15-minute chart, and what it might happen in the next few hours. So as you can see, we didn't took the invalidation point of this in case it is 1-2, which I don't like it. Of course, it doesn't look like a 1-2. And yeah, potentially 3, 4, and a 5. I would like, of course, to see this price taken to invalidate this in case it has a possibility of 5%. I just want to eliminate it, but it's not taken yet. However, it doesn't mean that we are bearish yet. We still have a scenario where we finished a 1-2 here potentially, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a second 1-2. A, B, and a C expanding flat, hitting perfectly the 0.618, 0.78, your wave B expanding flat, also hitting perfectly the fib level for a wave B, as you can see, 1.23 almost. So very nice, basically for bullish still, and still looking for higher potentially for the bullish scenario with a positive news, right? So that is now the real effect of the news. So always when we get the news, you move very high and then rejection again as counter effect, and then of course start to absorb the news in a good way, and then of course continuation toward the upside potentially, of course. And if we are here still bearish, therefore it doesn't mean, yeah, it can be of course here bearish, it can be somehow in a bigger zigzag, it can be this one kind of like running flat, A, B, and a C. And this wave C should, of course, take one of these fib, which are still, of course, a wave B, right? That we are looking at a big ABC here. A, and then B, and then C, right? Toward the upside. Meaning, if we move lower than the 0.886, invalidation of double 1-2s, so no bullish scenarios validate anymore. And then, of course, moving toward the downside. Testing the first fib for a wave B here, meaning this wave B can shift to here. If we fail here, then the 73 again, yeah, to be tested, meaning A, B, and a C still, of course, in the scenario here to be played. If we break, of course, the 73, then of course with ultimate bearish, right? Ultimate bearish meaning 3 ways down, 3 ways up, finished here, and we're looking simply for a big wave C toward the 1-to-1 fib level 65k, meaning this wave V comes to here, finished in a very, very shallow time. However, low possibility still, we still have a lot of scenario to break and to invalidate before we call this bearish scenario. Higher possibility so far is still, of course, for the double 1-2 until we take the 79.6. If we take this, therefore we start to test the 75k, then the 73k, then definitely if we fail, we're moving to the 65. Very, very simple. Let's take a look at the KGT. So on the KGT 5-minute chart, we have, of course, a convergence here for the bearish, as you can see, coming from the top. And, of course, we have invalidation already given before. But don't forget that now the CVD is moving very, very fast toward the downside. And if we keep moving here, we take the low, potentially still a little bit, before taking the 886, of course. If we could create a divergence here with the price action and this the CVD line, meaning continuation toward the upside with double 1-2. So that could be a good signal if we move even lower with the CVD lines, creating, of course, a divergence with a lower price here. It might, of course, unfold or trigger a double 1-2 toward the upside. What I'm talking about is, of course, this divergence. If we get it here, and then, of course, before taking the 886, this is very important as well. Before taking the 886 and moving toward the upside, that would be very, very nice. Let's move just a quick on the 15-minute chart as well to see 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So yeah, potentially we still have for this wave C here as an A, B, and a C. You still have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So potentially we can finish inside this box before hitting the 886, preferably, of course. If you are interested in a Pepe update, they are of course available on the X here for of course more information as well. Today updated the render. Yeah, so render and Pepe are available, guys, on X. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.